conversion wizard. Okay, so we have our tickets in for one of our locations, and we just want to convert them to, they've been dried and they're ready for sale, so we just want to record the fact that they've been dried. Okay, so we go into our conversion wizard. This wizard helps you converting green grain to a finished product using a product converter. Okay, so what we see here on this first screen is the options available. So conversion method, two methods, drying or treating, and we're using the IFA conversion method. We can use another method if we want. So we want to find tickets posted between 2 dates, and tickets that are approved or unapproved, and in the location. So we just pick a location. I'm going to go with Wicklow. Okay, so here we can see the list of products that's available and the quantity of each that's available for us to convert. So if we look at barley first line, there's a total of 373.22 tonnes in the time frame that we just selected in the previous screen, and 40 tonnes out, which gives us a balance of 333.22 in Wicklow. And it's telling us that the product has more than one bomb for Herbst conversion. So we'll look at that in a second. If we look at wheat, there's 163.96 in, and none out, so we have 163.96 available for conversion. On oats we have 218.16 in and none out, so we have 218.16 available for conversion. We also have rapeseed, 206 tonne, and green beans, 10 tonnes. So we selected one of these, so let's go with the barley. Okay, and it's telling us the product has more than one bomb for the Herbst conversion. Okay, so if we come in here, this will show us then the list of tickets that are available that we're basing this figure on. So ticket number, the post date, the supplier, what type of ticket in, so it's ticket in or ticket out. So this stock internal movement is our movement out from one location to another, and then we've got a couple of warehouse tickets. Okay, so you can see their ticket kind, the quantity on them, the moisture that's been set on them, and the source of the moisture, whether it's come from the invoice, the credit, the cost receipt docket, or a ticket. Okay, so I'm just going to, there's a couple there that have problems, so we just need to fix them up. Let's look at this one first. So right click here and we can quick view the ticket. And on a ticket, this is a ticket out note. So on these we need to put in the moisture on the user field, not a parameter. Okay, so on this one let's just put in moisture. Okay, and let's look at this one. So this is probably this is another movement out. So we fix it up in the moisture, or we could leave it out. I'll just put in moisture here. 19.5 on this one, let's say. I'll put a summary in, a comment in the security log. And in here we have two that are coming in for storage. Okay, so we might decide to remove those, or we might decide to process them. So if we want to remove them, you can just take them out here, or on the right mouse click button. Okay, so down the bottom then it tells us we are going to convert 272.92 tonnes, and the average moisture is 16.74 for all of these. Okay, so we go next. Just ignore that. Okay, so we have 272.92 of green barley from 17 documents are prepared for conversion for our Wicklow depot. So we need to select a bomb. Before that, we just have a look at the green moisture. So this is our average moisture, 16.74. What we're going to dry to, our final moisture, and our invisible loss. We just tick these on. So to show the product converter before saving it, approve the product converter on saving, and approve the selected tickets. So this will create a product converter, approve that product converter, and approve tickets that we're including in this. So they can't be edited again unless by somebody with the appropriate privileges. Okay, so what I've got here is I've got a selection of bonds that I'm going to use. I'm going to pick one of these to use as the method for drying. Okay, so we're just going to quick view this. So we've got two products in it, the green barley and the drying cost to dry it, if it's drying it down from 16.5 down to 14.5. Estimate that costs €1 per tonne to dry. Okay, so save that. Okay, so I'll select this one because it's the closest to what our green moisture is. Because it costs more if the moisture is higher, it's going to cost more to dry it. So I have my drying cost built into the bomb, so that's why I'm going with this one. Okay, so I'm just go next here, select my bomb, then hit next. And then I can review the product converter that's going to be created. So if we just look here, so here's our green barley of 272.92 tonnes. And we've got a drying cost for 272.92 tonnes as well. And the cost price was 50 cents per tonne. And up here I can see that the quantity of the dry barley, which is my finished product, in this case is 260.454 tonnes. So our dry barley has a smaller quantity as expected. Okay, so if I look at the notes here, I can see the conversion method that's being used, the invisible loss, the green moisture, so that's what we're drying from, and our fine moisture, what we're drying to, and the tickets that were included in this conversion. Okay, so if I save this and go and finish. Now if I go back in again and pick the same parameters for Wicklow. Okay, so now I've got 60 tonnes of barley left that I can dry, and if I just quick view that, I see that it's just these two tickets, my two warehousing tickets, that are remaining. I can't pick the same tickets twice. Okay, I'll just run through a treating conversion as well, same process. So we run the wizard. Actually, I'll show you that the wizard is also here in the procedures menu in the harvest conversion wizard. Okay, so we'll say next. Now we're going to treat some product from Wicklow. Let's just say we're going to treat some of the rapeseed. Okay, click on that. So here's our list of tickets. So I'm just going to pick the ones that actually have moisture so far, just to get an average weight. So I'll highlight the ones that don't have moisture and just sort by that and go blanks. Take them all out, so I don't want to include them. And I'll just go with these three, so I'm going to convert to quantity of 88 tonnes. The average moisture is 18.66. Okay, there's only one bomb for treating it, because the costs tend to remain the same because it's a chemical rather than an actual physical process of drying. So we'll go with that. We'll show the product converter, approve the product converter, and approve the selected tickets. And if we go next, we can see here as well the green moisture is 18.66. Just for information, we're normally drying to 14.5 and then visible loss of 2. Okay, so here on the product converter we can see the two source items. One is our green rapeseed with 88 tonne, and our treating cost down to 14.5% is 88 each at 35 cents a tonne. And our destination is our treated rapeseed product, and we're going to get a return of 86.24 tonnes on that. And again, if we look at the notes, you can see how this the product was converted. So we treated it this time, invisible loss of 2, green moisture of 18.66, and a foreign moisture of 14.5, and we included just 3 tickets in it. Okay, let's save that and finish. And that's how that works.